Have you ever used active skincare treatments only to end up with skin that feels tight, flaky, irritated, or completely compromised?
Or maybe your skin suddenly becomes reactive after microneedling, chemical peels, retinoids, or even seasonal changes, and nothing seems to calm it down.
Today, we are introducing a product specifically designed for those moments when your skin barrier needs serious support.
Meet our new Restorative Balm, an advanced, soothing, and deeply hydrating treatment formulated to help protect, comfort, and support skin recovery.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Skin Functional channel. Today I'm joined by yours truly, Sindi, and you'll definitely be seeing a lot more of her on the channel going forward.
Thanks, Kev.
I'm really excited to be here, especially because today we're talking about one of our most anticipated launches, the Restorative Balm. And beyond just introducing the product, we're also going to be unpacking some common misconceptions around skin barrier health, irritation, and recovery.
One of the biggest misconceptions in skincare is that irritations means your products are working. But in reality, when the skin barrier is impaired, your skin loses its ability to retain hydration and defend itself properly.
That's when you start seeing excessive dryness, flaking, redness, sensitivity, and discomfort. And this is exactly where the barrier support products become essential.
Our Restorative Barrier Balm creates a breathable protective layer over compromised skin, helping reduce moisture loss while supporting healthy skin regeneration. And what's important is that it doesn't feel heavy or suffocating on the skin. It is actually comforting, nourishing, and designed to work with the skin's natural recovery process, not against it.
So Kevin, tell us, who is this product for?
So this product is ideal for anyone experiencing extreme dryness, flaky or peeling skin, a damaged skin barrier, sensitivity from over-exfoliation, recovery post-treatments like microneedling, chemical peels, or ablative lasers.
It's also incredible during colder months when traveling or whenever your skin feels stressed and depleted. So Kev, what makes this product so special?
Everything about it.
I mean...
Well, let's dive into hero ingredients. Squalane. Squalane is incredibly important for barrier health because it mimics the skin's natural lipids. So this means that it helps replenish moisture while strengthening the barrier itself.
What we love about squalane is that it provides deep hydration without leaving the skin greasy or heavy.
Which is what we love. And it is also packed with antioxidant benefits, helping protect the skin from environmental stresses as well as free radical damage, both of which can accelerate visible signs of aging. And despite being deeply nourishing, it is also non-comedogenic. So it works beautifully across multiple skin types, including sensitive and acne-prone skin. The second key ingredient here is jojoba seed oil, and this ingredient is incredibly skin compatible.
Jojoba helps balance oil production while calming inflammation and supporting barrier repair. That's why it is especially beneficial for skin conditions associated with dryness, redness, irritation, or compromised barrier function.
It is also naturally rich in antioxidants like vitamin E, which helps soothe stressed skin and reinforce overall skin resilience.
Skin barrier health is honestly one of the most overlooked parts of skincare.
I totally agree with you. People focus so much on exfoliation, correcting pigmentation, or targeting aging concerns. But if the barrier isn't functioning properly, the skin can't perform optimally as it should.
A healthier skin barrier helps retain hydration, reduces sensitivity, protects against environmental aggressors, and improves overall skin function. And when the barrier becomes impaired, even your favorite ingredients can suddenly start causing irritations.
And that is why recovery products like this are so important. They help restore balance so the skin can return to its healthier, stronger state.
So now you're thinking, how do you use this product? You can apply the balm as the final step in your evening routine or anytime your skin feels compromised and in need of comfort. It's especially beneficial post-treatment when the skin needs additional support and protection during recovery.
And because the formula creates a breathable protective layer, it helps minimize transepidermal water loss while maintaining skin comfort. So, in closing, if your skin has been feeling irritated, flaky, overly sensitized, or simply depleted, this is the product designed to support recovery and restore comfort.
And remember, healthy skin always starts with a healthy barrier, and this balm was formulated with exactly that in mind.
And if you enjoyed this video, which I know you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know your biggest skin barrier struggles in the comments below.
Thanks for watching.